Now to breaking news to pass along to you. A federal grand jury investigation is going on, and it centers on the longest-serving judge in Louisiana, 74-year-old Frank Marulo. Last September, the WDSU team let you hear an undercover recording from a meeting between Judge Marulo and one of his opponents in the race for criminal court judge, Marie Williams. Williams says Marulo and an associate offered her a lucrative position at the court in exchange for her withdrawing from the race. Williams stayed in, and last November, Marulo narrowly defeated her and another challenger. It's illegal to offer a candidate anything of value in exchange for that person dropping out of a race. We know now that federal investigators are taking a closer look at what happened between Judge Marulo and Williams, and that at least one subpoena has been issued. We know this because that demand for material was sent to WDSU. Investigative reporter Travis Mackle has more on what the feds could be looking into.
Judge Frank Marulo fought to win re-election this fall, taking his battle to court as some said he was legally over the age limit to qualify to run. And the judge's legal battles may not be over. A federal subpoena makes it clear that a grand jury is discussing this matter. That body appears to be convening soon to discuss this matter. And it's clear the FBI and U.S. Attorney's Office are looking into the race Marulo just won and a meeting that took place prior to Election Day involving Marulo, Marie Williams, and Sonia D-Day. That encounter was set up by D-Day days prior, and all parties met at Mandina's in Mid-City. Undercover recordings of that meeting were captured by the WDSU team, and from those recordings it's clear Marulo wanted Williams out of the race.
It doesn't matter if you want me out or in. I mean, that's what I want.
Just 48 hours prior to this meeting at Mandina's, Williams received a call from D-Day, who claimed on that day to be speaking on behalf of the Marulo camp. That conversation was recorded by Williams.
And my consultant agreed to ask you would you like to be a commissioner. That's a definite.
Williams says D-Day is referring to the position of magistrate commissioner. There are 4 in New Orleans. All are appointed by the judges, Frank Marulo and his 12 counterparts on the bench. Commissioners tend to work after normal business hours, setting bonds and signing arrest warrants. It pays an annual salary of $75,000, and the commissioners are still allowed to practice law. Williams believes the message from D-Day was clear: drop out, and one of these jobs is hers.
Let me tell you something. You will become a commissioner.
Okay, but they want me to get out the race, though. Is that correct?
That will be part of the,
agreement.
Well, I wouldn't say agreement, but I was going to talk to you. It's what you're looking for.
D-Day reiterated her point again later in the conversation, which lasted almost 30 minutes.
I don't talk on the phone, but I'm trying to tell you, if you want the commissioner seat, you can have the commissioner seat.
Okay.
At that lunch at Mandina's, Williams asked Marulo about the offer D-Day made to her.
Okay.
I'm one vote, an influence votes, but I'm only one vote.
There are 13 criminal court judges. 7 need to vote yay for a commissioner to be appointed.
I can't guarantee it because it takes a majority vote of the court. You know, that's what I'm saying. I can't, but I'll tell you, I'll vote for you.
Before he left, Judge Marulo said this.
These 7 people, if I could go say 6 other people, please do this, that's what I can do.
Now the feds want to know more. Their subpoena requests all audio and video recordings that were made. All of that material has been on our website at WDSU.com since the story aired in September. At this time, it's not known if Judge Marulo, D-Day, or Williams have also received subpoenas. On your side, I'm Travis Mackle, WDSU News.
And as we mentioned in our September reports, WDSU has already made all of the recordings central to the Marulo case public, uncut, unedited, for your review. And those recordings can be accessed by searching our website. That, of course, is WDSU.com.